Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating the DC-60N-BR-50-1RM-IN, and this is a all-in-one package. It is a complete package for shift change, for class change, for any kind of timing of a horn, or as we have connected here, we have a horn, and it's another one of our products, but it's all modular. You just plug it in and then connect it to your internet, find the IP on it. It is a web browser based, so you don't need any special software or pay any subscriptions or anything like that to access it, to get in and change the schedules on it. It is a 50 event, so you can have 50 events over the course of a week, a month, however you want to do it. But it is Monday through Friday, and you can set it up for any time, AM or PM, and it does follow the time format that you have on your computer. And I'll show you all that later. But it's very, very simple to set up, very, very simple to put onto your system and implement and get going. So you can pretty much take it out of the box, plug it in, find it on your computer, find it on your network, and then start ringing bells for your shift change or your class change or whatnot. We can set it up for on-offs also. Just need to let us know what your output is that you're going to drive. Like say you want to turn off lights or turn on lights, or you want it to lock up or unlock doors at a specific time. So just let us know. We can make modifications. This is just our standard product. This is what we sell the most of, but we can modify it. So anyways, just to further ado, 120 volts input. We can make it PoE so that you have just one cord going to it from the outside world or from your factory. Ethernet connection for your NTP or PoE. Right now we have it powered 120. This is an indoor model. We can make it outdoor if you like. And then we have a 1/4 inch phone jack for the horn. 6-inch high LEDs so they can be seen up to 300 feet away. All extruded aluminum, tough aluminum enclosure. We can seal it if you want. Right now the indoor ones do not come with a sealer, any kind of to keep moisture out, but we can make it so. It comes with 3 mounting tabs, and you just simply mount it on the wall that way. As you can see, the horn, we send the horn with a 25 feet of cable, and I believe the horn is 120 volt, 120 dB, so you definitely don't want to be next to it when it goes off. It has to be up in the rafters or something. It will definitely cover a large area, and as you can see, it's mountable. It's got 6 mounting holes, and it is adjustable. It will adjust up and down, just to kind of give you an idea what it looks like inside. I'm going to go ahead and tilt the camera to show you the programming of it and how you can just get to it. Right there is the product page, and I've got it on this laptop right now. But I have found the IP address. I've went ahead and looked it up. I'm going to see if I can get this a little bit closer for you. And what you do to find it on your system is we have a program. If you type in, let me get in front of the camera here, but if you type in IP setup up here in our search bar, IP-setup, it will go to the product page, so you can download that free app. And download it to your computer. I'll just go ahead and show you that, what it looks like. It's this app right here, IP Setup, and it finds the device on your computer. And I will go to that here in a second. So you just download that program onto your computer. And where would I go with that? So it's right here. It looks like an envelope. Double click on it, and you can see it here, and it has finds all our devices here, and it would be named BR50 device. So let's go over here, and we have 2 of them on here. This is the 41 here. So I'm going to close that. What you would do now is you would put that IP address up here in a tab, and I've already done it, but you would put it into your browser tab, the IP, and it brings up this home page, and as you can see, the time of day is on there. Model and serial number will all be filled out. Well, we at the factory will fill it out, and then you can go through and set up your configuration of your timing, your settings for your network, and also your format, whether you want 12, 24 hour, what time zone you want it in, etc., etc. And then how often do you want it to ping the server, what your server, where it's going to acquire the NTP time from. We send it out, default time NIST Gov. We find that that's very reliable. I'm going to go into the bell schedule. Now, I've already put in the password and username, and to get into the bell schedule to show you this. So the username is just simply username, and password is simply type in password, both of those words. And as you can see, here's the bell schedule, and I've got a couple of bells put in already. But if you want to delete them, you just hit delete and submit, and it clears it. But here is your, what you can just type in. I've got 08, I've got 10, and then I've got AM. Or you can just go to this clock. It looks like a little timer, and then you can choose from that menu there. And then what days of the week you want it to go off on, or just simply a bell. And then what zone. And this is always going to be zone 1. We only have one zone on this specific display timer clock. So we got bell, we have none, we have on, we have off. So I'm going to select bell, and that is default 3 seconds. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. And then once you get all your bells put in and push submit, or you can submit each one, it will chronologically put them in order for you. And so you can get in here at any time and see when the next bell is going to go off. It's very simple, very easy to do, very straightforward on how to set it up. And then just simply go back to your home screen, and as long as you have an Ethernet connection, and it will tell you that down here that you have success last synchronization. It was at this one specific time, and it was a minute ago, almost a minute ago. So this is used mainly in factories. Mainly it's in small shops up to large shops, factory floors, whatever you want to ring specific bells, or give indication that it's time to do something, either breaks or shift changes, or leave or be at your workstation. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and this is the DC-60N-BR-50-1RM-IN. Thanks for watching.